Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible, all of you? Okay, so this is Myra, Ritvik. So all of you, please open your camera. Yes, very good. So first of all of you, welcome to the session. Okay, this is a master class for you all. Okay, so we will start with a small introduction, right? Okay, so first I will give my introduction and then you will give your introduction. Fine? Is that clear to everyone? Okay, so all of you, my name is Jay Upadhyay. Okay, today I will take your session. Okay, so I have expertise in this session for around 2.5 years. Okay, so like I have taken around 2000 plus sessions. Okay, so now all of you, let's start with who will start first. Just raise your hand. Who want to start first? You just need to tell your name, your class, and your state. That's it. 4 things: name, class, state. Who will start? Okay, can we start with Ritvik? Ritvik, can you hear me? Unmute yourself. No, you can't do. Okay, wait a minute. I will do. Wait. Yeah, now please check. You can unmute yourself. Now? Oh, how is that possible? Wait a minute. So now check.
Yes, sir, now.
Yeah, okay. So how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How about you?
I'm great, as you can see. So yes, you can start your introduction. Name,
Ah,
class, and state.
Okay, sir. I'm Ritvik Ananta from class 7 going to 8th class, Johnson Grammar School, Habsiguda, Hyderabad, ICSE syllabus. I'm from Telangana, Hyderabad.
Okay, great. Okay, do you have any coding experience?
So I have some, sir, only about HTML, which I learned this
From
year.
in school, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Very good. Okay, so now let's go to Mradul, right? Please unmute yourself. What happened? Any problem? Yeah, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, good to hear that. Okay, so you need to give your small introduction, your name, your state, your class, and if you have any coding experience.
I'm Madhu Singh of class 7 going to 8th class. I'm
हिंदी भी
I'm
चलेगी,
in
मृदुल हिंदी भी चलेगी, इंडिया से ही हम सब हिंदी बोलेंगे, ठीक है? यस, यू कैन कंटिन्यू, बोलो.
मैं तो उत्तर प्रदेश के मैं नोएडा.
यू आर फ्रॉम नोएडा, उत्तर प्रदेश. ओके, डू यू हैव एनी कोडिंग एक्सपीरियंस? कुछ है कोडिंग एक्सपीरियंस आपके पास?
Python. The Python.
टेक्सचर पाइथन, ब्लॉक पाइथन.
The Python. Block, not block Python.
ओके ओके फाइन. कहाँ से सीखा था?
The school.
स्कूल से सीख लिया. चलो, वेरी गुड, गुड. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो टू प्रखर. प्रखर से ना.
Yes, sir.
हेलो प्रखर.
Hello, sir.
ऑल गुड.
Yes, sir.
ओके, अच्छा. ये टीचर वाले मिस कहने के आते शायद, राइट?
Yes.
नहीं, अभी मैं टीचर, मैं वो फीमेल नहीं हूँ, मैं मेल हूँ, ठीक है? चलो ठीक है, अब कंटिन्यू करो. योर नेम तो मुझे पता चल गया, प्रखर आपका. ओके, योर योर क्लास, योर स्टेट, और आपका कोई कोडिंग एक्सपीरियंस है तो.
I am class
3.
Okay, very good. State,
School name is JP Public School
very good.
and Uttar Pradesh.
No any experience in
No experience.
coding.
You have no experience in the coding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are from class 3rd, right?
Going. Yes, sir.
You are going to, after this you will go to 4th, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, कैसे गए पेपर आपके?
Good.
अच्छे गए?
Yes, sir.
सबसे अच्छा किसका गया?
हाँ.
हाँ?
Yes, sir.
अरे सबसे अच्छा किसका गया? The best paper.
Maths.
अच्छा, ये आपके पेपर अच्छा गया, आपको पापा बता रहे हैं कि कौन सा पेपर आपका अच्छा गया था, हैं? आपको याद नहीं है? भूल गए अभी? चलो, very good. Okay, we will add one more thing. You need to tell your अभी आप because you just recently gave your exam, so you need to tell your best exam also. Okay, just for the fun. Okay, thank you, Prakhar. Okay, and now let's go to Ramesh Sathusan, right?
Yes, sir. My name is Sadhushan.
Okay, yeah, you can continue, please.
Sadhushan. I am in grade 7 and
Okay.
my country is Sri Lanka.
Okay, you're from Sri Lanka. Okay, and grade, you tell me grade, which grade you are?
I am in grade 7.
Grade 7. Do you have any coding experience?
Yes, sir. I know Scratch, Tinkercad, and MIT App Inventor.
And which one is your favorite?
My favorite is Scratch.
Scratch. Okay, so today also I will take the session on Scratch, so you will have your fun. Okay, so Ritika.
My name is Ritika. I'm from 6th class. My country is Telangana.
Country is Telangana. State is Telangana. Ritika?
Sorry,
State?
India.
Okay, you're from India. What happened, Ritika? You are not happy? Any problem? No? I'm not. See, you can feel free to tell me anything. You have given your exam? Exam is over?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so which what exam is your what do you think, in which exam you will score the most marks?
Maths.
Maths is your favorite?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's go to Myra. Hello, Myra.
Hello, how are you?
Great. So Myra, same thing, you can start.
So my name is Myra Ashish and I study in DPS Sushant Lok in Haryana, Gurgaon.
Okay.
And I am in class 5 going to class 6.
Hmm.
I did best in my exam. I did French was
French
my
exam.
best.
You know
Yes.
French?
Yes.
Can you say hello in French?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Okay, fine. Okay,
And
bonjour here also. Yes.
And in coding, I know Scratch, I know Tinkercad, and I know MIT. I know in AI Connect. I have done basic Python and Python.
Okay, and you have done this thing in from Tinker Coders, right?
Yes.
Okay, so can you you just tell me that you know French, right? And your best exam, right? You will score highest marks in French, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so today you will do one thing. Whenever you want to ask me anything, you will tell me in the French and with English also. Okay.
Actually, I don't know that much. I just started French, so that's why.
Okay, fine, no issue. Okay, let's go to the next one. That is Shambhu Thakur.
Yes, sir. So do I have to put the video on?
Why not? Yes, do that.
Yes, sir. So my name is Shambhu Thakurata and I'm of class 7 going to class 8 this year. And I'm from West Bengal, Kolkata. And I have some of the experiences of coding. I know Python and C.
Python and C. Very
Yes,
good. And your exam is over?
Yes, sir.
So what do you think, in which exam you will score the highest marks?
So I guess it's maths, sir.
Wow, very good. Most of you score good in math. Let's see. Okay. So best of luck to all of you. You will definitely score the good marks in math or in all the subjects. Sarthak Thakur, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, I can't see you. It's okay, all of you, please open your camera if your network is good. Yes, you can start, Sarthak.
Sir, I am Sarthak Thakur and I study in Bal Bhavan Public School, Delhi. And I will be promoting to grade 9th this year.
Very good.
Also, I have experience of block coding like Scratch and MIT App Inventor, and I also have some experience of basic Python.
Basic Python, very good. Okay, that's great. Okay, so now let's go to the next one, that is Kriti. Kriti, right? Can you hear me, Kriti?
Yes, sir.
How are you, Kriti?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
Great. Okay, Kriti, can you just tell me your experiences and your class, that kind of thing?
I'm Kriti Bachawat and I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal. I study in St. Agnes School and I'm currently in class 10.
Okay, and coding experience?
No, sir, no coding experience, just the like programming in Java and all which we learn in school, ICSC.
You know Java?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Java is easy or hard?
Sir, if you practice, it's easy. Otherwise, it's over the head.
Over the head. Okay. How much over the head? This much or
So,
from the
like
top?
when we start, this is not only my problem, but in a basic, when we start a new thing, we have little problems, but then we come to used to it, and then again the next thing starts, and then like it goes easier and hard, same side by side. So you can.
Okay, very good. Okay, next Anik Verma.
My name is. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Where are you from,
Good
Anik?
evening, sir.
अरे
Sorry.
कोई नहीं, गुड मॉर्निंग है, कोई नहीं, गुड मॉर्निंग है। मेरा भी गुड मॉर्निंग हो रही है अभी, देखो कितना तेज सनरेज आ रही, देख रहे हो मेरे पास? या टेल मी।
My name is Anik Verma. I am promoting to class 5th
ओके, गुड।
this year.
Hmm.
I am studying in Universal Public School, Preetbhar, and I have a knowledge of basic Scratch.
Very good. Okay, perfect. Yeah, okay. So now all of you, that's very good. Okay. So let us do one thing. So all of you, because you are aware with the things, most of the things like basic things, very good. Now let's do one thing. Let's because you already know coding, right? All of you know coding. Okay. Who will explain me the coding? What is coding basically? Raise your hand and you can start. Just tell me what is coding.
So
Anyone?
may I say, sir?
Why not? Yes.
Sir, coding is a way, or programming is a way to interact with the computer and give instructions to the computer to work according to what we say to the computer.
Very good. Perfect. Nice. And okay. So yeah. And anything? Any one of you? No? Okay, let me give you a very simple example for coding. Okay. So I hope all of you can see my can you see this glass?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? Okay, can you see it's not filled? Correct? Okay. So now let's say if I give you a task that let's say I give a task to Ritika. Ritika, can you help me? I'm giving
Yes,
you one
sir.
task. You can help me, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Task is Ritika that you need to fill this glass for me. How you will do that?
By owning the tap and filling the glass.
Can you repeat?
By opening the tap and filling the glass.
Okay. And see, for that you need to go towards the tap, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay. So and right now it's not possible that if you, then also you need to come to, you are in Telangana, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm in north right now, so you need to come from south to north, you need to come, correct? And then you need to give it to me. Or we can do one thing, we can like create any technology in which you can just give me from here also. Is it possible, Ritika, to give like this?
No, sir.
No? Okay. So all of you, so basic idea is we need to follow some step, right? So what Ritika will do first, Ritika will stand up, then Ritika will go towards the kitchen or anywhere, right? And then he will open the tap and then fill the glass. That kind of step we need to follow. Yes or no? Agree? Agree with this? Prakhar, agree? Okay. You can, okay, so you can show me this thumbs up. Okay. Yes, very good. Perfect. Now we need to follow some step. Coding is the same thing, right? So suppose if I'm doing something, suppose if I'm performing one task, let's say I have a task to do this work, water, filling a water. So for that also we need to perform some steps. The same step we need to perform in the coding also. So coding is the same thing. Coding is also step-by-step instruction, which we need to follow to complete any task, right? So we have a task. What we will do, we will break it and then we will follow some step to complete it. Okay. And now the same thing. Now we have two types of coding. Okay. We can do the coding the two way. First is the textual coding. Second one is the block-based coding. In the block-based coding, we are having the instruction in the form of block. In the textual coding, we write the code. Okay. So now those who are aware with the block also or textual also, can you tell me which one is better, textual or block-based?
Textual.
Yes.
So textual only, sir.
Textual only. Okay, fine. So yes, only only Ritik know about this textual and block based. No one. Okay,
Sir, I
fine.
also agree, sir.
You also agree in textual or block based?
Sir, I agree in textual.
Yeah, Shambhu also, right? Okay. Great. Yes. So see, in some scenario, textual is good. Some scenario, textual is not good. Okay. In some cases, block is very good, and in some cases, block is not. We will not use block based, right? So suppose if let me give you a very simple example. Suppose if I want to write a very big code, okay, and I have a very less time, then I will prefer block-based coding, okay, because with the help of that, I can do it very easily because I don't need to follow any syntax, okay. Syntax is basically the sentence, right? Suppose if I'm speaking English, so I need to follow some rules, right? If I follow some rules, then only you will understand. In English also, we follow some rules, correct? Syntax is the same thing. Every programming language is having its own syntax, the way we write the code, correct? Is this clear? So with the block base, it's easy. Okay, for beginner, block base is the best. Okay, and if you want to create something like a product or that kind of thing, in which then you will prefer the textual coding. Okay, is this much clear to everyone? Coding, block based coding, textual coding, right? Ab now, who will tell me why you are here? Why you are here? Who know? Yes, please tell me why you are here. Okay, Myra, why you are here?
Learn how.
To learn coding. Ritik said to learn coding. Very good. Okay, yes, Ramesh, you are saying something.
So to learn coding.
To learn coding. Very good. Okay, Ritika, why you are here?
For coding, sir.
Coding. Okay, fine. So yes, you all are here to learn coding. Sarthak, different thing or same? Why you are here? Tell me.
Same.
Same. Okay. Very good. So all of you, you are here to learn coding. I will tell you how to do coding, right? So before starting that, so let me tell you what is basically this program. So in this session, I will tell you a very nice game. Okay, a very interesting game. Okay, that is Minecraft. Okay, and you will get access. Okay, in which you will learn how to do coding. Okay, we will provide you the videos, document, or that kind of thing. Okay, so in which you are having videos, document which you can watch. Okay, and after that you need to create a project. Okay, So right now I'm coming with my idea of Minecraft. Okay. But I want you to come, like next week also we are having one class, one master class, right? Okay. In that one, you need to come with your idea, with your project, anything you can do. Fine. I hope all of you clear with this. Today I am showing you my idea, but in the next week, I will see your idea. Clear? Can you come? Yes. Raise your hand if you come with your idea. You need to create it. You need to do the coding on that. Okay, very good. Preeti is saying, Prakhar, Ritika, Shambhu is saying, very good. Okay. Mridul, you will not come?
Sir, I
Mridul?
am Prakhar.
Prakhar. Yes. Yes, Prakhar, any doubt?
Today,
Myra also will come.
Myra will come. Very good, Myra. Yes, Prakhar. Tell me.
सर आज आप हमें लर्न करवाएंगे तो नेक्स्ट वीक हमें खुद आइडियाज लाने हैं.
नहीं ideas भी लाना है, उसको बना कर भी लाना है. You need to create also. Okay, today also I will give you, like we will create together. Okay, first I will do and then you will do. Fine. And after that, in that 1 week gap now, we will provide you the access of thing that is Coding Connect. Okay, with that access, let me show you that also, what you are going to get. Just give me a minute. Yeah, okay. So our team will reach out you, okay, and will give you all the credential of this. So right now I'm showing with my credentials. So Coding Connect is the name of the platform. Okay. So right now, as you can see, these are the courses which is allocated to me. Okay. These are the courses. Fine. Now let's say this is a very interesting platform. You can see as this is showing you all the people who are online also. See, these are the people who are online. So kind of very famous platform which you will get the access. Okay. And now let's say I'm just giving you one example. So let's say this is your course, create a grade 3 to 5. Okay. Like this way you will get your course. Wait. Let me go back and let me open the latest one. This one. So this is a course, right? What you will get, let's say this is the first activity, animate the cat, in which you are getting the live video. Okay. This is a video which you need to click, with just sheet you need to click on it and see. With this way you can watch the video. Okay, like this. So in this you will get all the things step by step. See, like how you will create now, I will tell you all the things step by step, one by one.
So that there will be delay of half second between switching.
Not only the video, you will get the document also. Fine. So for each topic, you will get video also or document also. So let's say this is a document, code file is also there, document is also there. Let me click on the document. And here we go. This is a document of this. Okay. Step by step, everything. So now from this, you need to learn. And then you need to, in the next session, you need to come up with your idea. Okay. So now let me start by, I will not waste more time. I will just search for the Scratch. So today we are going to, we will do block-based coding. Okay. As some of you are not aware with the coding. So this is as I said, this is the best way of learning coding. So here we go. And I'm sharing the link in the chat also. Okay. So Ritvik, yes, you can do it in the tab also. Don't worry. Okay. So Scratch link I shared you in the chat. All of you please open it and you will get this kind of thing. And all of you, those who are aware of the coding also, now then also you are going to learn something from this. Okay. So that is related to the velocity concept. Okay. A very science concept. You will learn how to turn the things. Okay. In the block base only, but you will learn new things. Definitely. I will assure you that. So all of you, please click on the link. Okay. Done all of you? Clicked on the link? So please show me thumbs up. Done? Clicked? Okay. Yes, Ramesh, Ritik, Ritika. Okay, very good. Anik, can you hear me? Shambhu?
Yes, sir.
Done? Okay. So yeah, we can start now. So after doing this thing, you need to click on a create button. Okay, so once you will click on a create button, okay, this is a platform we have, Scratch platform. On your left hand side, we are having the all required blocks which we need. Okay, and then this is the area where you need to drag and drop. Okay, so it's a very simple, whatever instruction you want, you just put that instruction over here. Okay, so all the block is a kind of instruction for this cat. Right now the cat is our sprite. Okay. So any doubt in this? Very good, Ritik. So you can select any of your account and then start doing it. If you have two accounts, very good. So let me let's start it. So first let's do one thing. Let's select the sprite. Okay. So in this one, let me give you a very simple example, like how this thing works. So suppose right now I give you an instruction that I send the link in the chat. Please click on the link. Right. This is instruction which I gave you, right? And after getting this instruction, you done the same thing. So same thing we will do over here. We are having a sprite. Okay, we will give the instruction to the sprite, and once you will give the instruction, this cat will move according to it. Okay, this is the way it will work. Now the next thing is, let's start it, but first let me show you what we are going to do. Okay, I already have the activity. So can you see all of you? Okay, I hope it's visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is a game. So this, we just need to move left and right. So I'm moving in left, right. Okay, I will go forward. And what I need to do is I just need to click on this add. Okay, level change. I can go up also like this. Okay. Don't fall. Okay, okay, was very nice. I fall. So sometimes it's hard also. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. I hope you understand, right, how to play this game. So right now it's difficult for me to play with the one hand. Okay, all of you clear with this? Any doubt? Just show me thumbs up. Are you excited to create this kind of game? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Only one? Only one is excited?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Let's start it. So we will do one thing. Let's first learn the basic thing for this. Or I will do one thing. I will share a link so that you can also play. You can try this game and then we'll start. So wait a minute. So all of you for 2 minutes, I'm just click on the link. For 2 minutes, you need to play this game. Okay, then we will do together. So left and right, and the arrow key, the up arrow key is used to go up, left and right movement. Let's start. Time is 2 minutes to complete all the 5 levels. Let's see who will complete. Zenith, you joined late. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, I can hear you. I joined.
Very good. Zinata just shared a link. Okay. I shared the link. Please click on the
Yes,
link
sir.
and play the game for a 2 minute, and then we will start.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Yes, Ritik, it's difficult in tab now. Oh, yes, you can't do. Correct. We will do one thing. You don't have a laptop in your home? Not right now, but after some time. It's okay. You can play later. So all of you, I hope you have played the game. Looks interesting, right? Hmm? How many levels?
Sir, I am playing the game.
How many
Sir,
levels
I
you
am
have completed?
playing the.
I have completed 3. How many levels you have completed? Yeah, Myra, how many levels you have completed?
Sir, 2.
Okay. Prakhar? Okay, Ramesh is saying 3. Very good. Prakhar? Ritika? Okay, Shambhu is also saying 3. Yeah, third level is kind of difficult. 3. Ritik is saying 3. Okay. Sarthak. Okay, fine. Sarthak is saying, oh wow, Sarthak, you have completed all 5 levels?
Yes, sir. After completing the 5th level, the game stopped.
Yes, it show you trophy, right?
Yes, trophy.
Correct. Okay, so let's start it, all of you. Okay. So now I hope you have played your game. So now we will start our game. Let me go back. Okay, so first we will create the background, right? And then we will create the ground part, and then we will create our sprite, which will move. Okay, so we'll plan like this. So let's first learn how to create a backdrop. So backdrop is nothing but is a background. So right now you can see my background, which is blur right now. Okay, but background is your background also. You have a different kinds of background. So let's create a background first. So all of you, for this, can you see my screen, all of you? This is over here. You need to come. Okay, don't click on this. Click on this option, that is paint. Fine. So all of you, please click on the paint. Done this much? I hope you have clicked on the paint. Now, after this, the first step is we need to add the background. For the background will be the sky background. Okay. So for that, what I will do, I will click on this square. Okay, this square I will click, and then I will just do like this. Okay, like this. So all of you do this much first. Take a square from here and then increase the size of your square.
Sir, can you tell again because something went wrong?
Yeah, sure. So what I said is the first step is you will go over here. Okay. Can you see right hand bottom?
Yes.
Or can you see this option paint?
Yes.
Once you will click on a paint. So then you need to just click on this square. Can you see a square over here?
Yes, sir.
Then you just need to create like this. See, just start dragging it. Press your left button of your mouse or touchpad and then do like this.
That's it.
Done. And now one more thing you will do, you will change the outline. I don't want this black line, so I will change it to 0. Okay, clear now, all of you, this much? And like this you will do. We can move it more down also. Yeah, now fine. Okay, after this,
Sir, I am doing, it's not happening.
what is not
When I
happening?
do 0.
Sir, I am Prakhar. I am doing, but not is paint.
It's not, see, just click on a square first. Okay, go over here and then start dragging it. First press the left button of your mouse and then start dragging it like this. Okay, like this. And if you're not getting the color now, to first select it. Can you see I select my mouse, this one, and then I select this one. So once this thing selected, then only I can change the color. Okay, so now you tell me which color, what is the color of a sky? What is the color of the sky?
Purple.
Purple. No, not our sky. I'm saying real sky. Color of a real sky. Okay. And only one no.
कोडिंग को वो दिया था, मैं नोट कर रहा था व्हाट्सएप पे, जल्दी कर ही नहीं पाया।
तो कॉपी पेन लेके बैठा था, दे दे कॉपी पेन।
Sir, this outline is not going.
So do one thing na. See, it will not go until you just first need to click on it. Okay. First select it and then change it to 0. Like this. See, yeah, this is this 4, 5, this 12, 13. You need to change it to 0. Like this. Okay.
Yes, sir, now it's.
Yes. Now we'll change the color. So mostly what we know is, you know, the kind of green, blue color.
सर मेरा हो ही नहीं रहा है।
क्या नहीं हो रहा है आपका?
ये ब्लॉक्स बन रहा है पर कलर फिल नहीं हो रहा है, उसमें पर्पल कलर है।
पर्पल कलर आया तो चेंज करोगे ना आप, यहाँ पे फिल पे जाओ, पहले सेलेक्ट कर लो उसको एंड देन गो टू द फिल एंड चेंज द कलर। इसको ऊपर नीचे करोगे तो वो कलर मिल जाएगा। ब्लू कलर लेना है आपको, जैसे मैंने लिया है। ठीक है, हो गया इतना?
Sir, can you please give the perfect RGB you choose, the color you choose?
Okay, so for that I have taken 64 is the color, 64, saturation is 52 and brightness is 100.
Thank you, sir.
64, 52, 100.
Sir, I.
Yes. Light blue, blue. Okay, I have taken a blue color, light. This blue color is light.
So done.
Very good. Okay, so now the next step is, we have created our sky. Sky is having cloud also. So for the cloud, what we will do, we will click on this circle. Okay, and then you will just do like this. You will create a circle like this. Ab now, see, I just created a kind of a oval. I will change the color of a oval to, cloud color is white, right? So I will change it to white. And I will create 2 cloud like this. So this is a way we create a cloud. Simple, very simple. Okay, copy, paste, okay, and then create your cloud like this. Even you can change the size also. And even if you're not able to do it now, have a try. If not possible, then you can create a simple cloud, just a one cloud like this. Okay, So done. How many of you done this much? Kriti done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sarthak?
So done.
Okay. Ritik done.
Sir, done.
Good. Ritika done?
Ram Prakhar, I done.
Very good, Prakhar. Okay. So any doubt, any one of you in this much? Anik done? Okay. Now the next thing is, let's learn how to create a sprite. Okay. So we will create two sprite. Let's first create a easy sprite. So our easy sprite is our ground. Okay. So first I will create that. So all of you first you will go over here. No, not this one. In this you will not get a sprite. So for that I will again go to the paint and just do the same thing. Go over here, create a like this rectangle. Okay. And change the color of your rectangle to green color. The ground color is green, so I'm taking a green color like this, and I will do like this. Like this. Okay. Now do this much. Create a ground and make sure that you are creating a sprite for this. So ground is your sprite. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat? I don't know why something's wrong. That's why.
I've done the same thing. Okay. First I go over here. Can you see this thing? Choose a sprite option.
Yes.
Can you see the paint option?
Yes.
Once you will click on a paint option, then you need to click on this option. Can you see rectangle?
Yes.
Now again, do like this. Drag and drop. Start dragging it. Select and drag. Is it done now, all of you? This much? Okay.
So can you show the RGB values?
RGB values is okay for this. 31 7800. So color is 31, saturation is 78, and brightness is 100. Okay. So Ramesh done?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Shagun, can you hear me? Sarthak, Shambhu, Mradul done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, good. So now let's learn how to create a sprite. Okay, which will move actually. So for that, again, you will go over here, you will go to the paint, and let's create a sprite for this. So for creating a sprite now, again, same thing. Click on the rectangle, create a square like this. Okay, you can little small size will be, I guess. Yeah, this one is better, right? Then you will change the color to kind of a yellowish. Yes, this one. And first do this much, all of you. Then we'll go to the next part.
So can we keep any of our colors?
Yes, why not? Okay, now can I move forward? This much is done, all of you? Now the next step is you will create a eye for this. So let's create a eye. Okay. So for that, let's first do one thing. To create eye, we will click over here, and then we'll start drawing it like this. Wait. Okay, like this I will do. For this is for the eye. Okay, and then we'll change the color to black, like this. Okay, and now we will do like this. And for the top part, I will add a square. Simple, like this. Okay, so you need to first create a, even you can do all the things with the help of this also, with the help of brush also. This eye part, this eyebrow part, and this head part. And you can make it interesting also, like this. Let's say having a hair like this. You can shade it. Okay, this is the haircut. Done this much, all of you? Create the eye. Okay, then eyebrow, and you can do all the things with the help of this brush. It's very interesting. So done this much?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, do you want to show? Any one of you? Want to share the screen and show?
Yes, sir. Sir, can I share?
Okay, so let's start with Ramesh and then Ritik, you will show.
Sir, I am Prakhar.
Prakhar, you can also show. Yes, Ramesh, you can show now. Share your screen. Oh, nice. Okay, Kali here. Good one. Very good. You can give the name also to your Sprite. Yes. Instead of Sprite 2, you can give your name.
Okay.
And you can unshare. Very good.
Okay, so thank you, sir.
Okay, Ritvik. Where is Ritvik? Show Ritvik.
Sir, can you see?
I can see. Oh my God, spiky guy. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So now,
Prakhar, I can share.
share Prakhar.
Sir, you can.
Prakhar, you have added all the things in your backdrop, but the sprite is different, right? Okay. Prakhar, you need to add it. No need to add it over here. Okay. जो आपने ये बनाया है ना, ये आपको ना स्प्राइट पे बनाना चाहिए था. स्प्राइट पे जाना एक बार, बैकड्रॉप की साइड पे. यस. नो, गो बैक. गो टू द पेंट वाले पे जाओ. इस पे पेंट करना था, नीचे वाला भी, ग्रीन वाला भी और वो वाला भी, दो अलग अलग. ओके. यस और नो? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? आई सेड कि आपको स्प्राइट बनाना है, एक ग्राउंड बनाओ पहले यहाँ पे, देन क्रिएट वन मोर स्प्राइट ऑफ दिस वन जो आपने यहाँ पे बनाए हैं. ठीक है. जो पर्सन मूव करेगा. ओके, यू कैन अनशेयर नाउ. And now Prakhar, you can share. Do it and share your screen.
Sir, can you see my screen, Myra?
Myra, I can. Oh, very nice. Okay, if this is a designing competition now, so definitely you are the winner. Right, designing competition. But very nice, superb. Okay, and it's not Minecraft. Okay, not mind.
I made a mistake.
Now, okay, all of you done this much. I hope you understand like how you will create a sprite, how you will do. Let's do some coding also because you are here to learn coding, right? Otherwise, you will.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, how did you make the sprite? Can you show it again?
Okay, I will create a different sprite. Just give me a minute. So let me create a sprite of an egg. Okay, which is required, which this will touch. So let's do that. So all of you will do it, and we will do it very fast because we need to complete this thing in a very short time. So go to the sprite. So first, can you see this? Zenith? This one. Click on the paint.
Yes, sir.
Click on the paint. Go to the sprite 3. So first step is because we need to create an egg or the food for this person, let's say. So for that I'm supposing I'm creating an egg for this.
So does he eat raw egg?
Yes, this will eat. Okay. This is digital, right? He can eat anything. Like this, you can change it and you can create an egg of your color, whatever color you want. So I'm creating a color like this. Fine. Is this much clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will do one thing. Now we will start the coding and we need to be fast for that. So let's go to the coding. We will click on the code, right? So for what we want first in the Minecraft game also, you can see a sprite can go forward, go left and right, and your sprite can jump. Okay, these three things. And whenever it's touching the egg, our level is changing. Okay, so let's learn how to do that. So first we will learn how to go left and right and go up and down. So for that, I will go to the events. Okay, what is basically events? So suppose if I have a game and suppose if I click on a start button, so my game start. Suppose if I click on a button, then the game open. So
Yes,
basically events is where you want to start a thing. So I want to start whenever the green
where
flag.
we want to start the action to happen.
Correct, action to happen. When the green flag click means whenever this thing will happen, then I want to do something, right? So first thing is you will go to the control. Okay, and as I said, if left and right, first we will learn left and right? So what is basically left and right and how the thing will move? So suppose see this hand. if this hand is going towards the, this is basically horizontal is your x. Okay, horizontal is your x. And if this hand is moving towards the right hand side, x value increase. If this hand is going towards the left hand side, x value decrease. Okay, let's recall it. X value decrease when it go towards the left or right? Left.
Right.
Left. Okay, value decrease when it go towards the left, value increase when it go towards the right. Okay, is this much clear? Right increase, left decrease. Yes or no? Clear this much, all of you? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what we will do, we will okay, if now I want that event to happen, the left one. So for that I'm going to the sensing. Okay, and I'm taking this block key space press. So I don't want that space key press, I will go towards that. I will take whenever the left arrow key press. Okay, so whenever the left arrow key press. Okay, now who will tell me, do a laptop or a computer have the left arrow key? Yes or no?
Sorry, sir.
I said, do our laptop have left arrow key?
Yes, it has.
Where?
Below the shift key.
Okay, I'm having two shift key, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side.
Right side, right hand side.
Very good. Near to the enter button also, correct?
Yes.
Very good. So we know where is the left arrow key. Now what I will do, whenever the left arrow key press, now what I want is I want to decrease the value. And Prakhar, I want to decrease the value of x and y. किसकी value को decrease करना है? X and y. X. Yes or no? Okay. So I will do one thing. I will go to the motion. Okay. What is motion basically? The motion is basically the movement. Okay. The movement of an object from one place to another. Okay. Suppose if I'm going forward or left, this is basically a movement. So I will do one thing. I will go to the motion and then I will go down. I will take this block, change x by 10. Okay. Simple. Change x by 10. And I will duplicate this block. Okay. So there's an option of duplicate also. Right click on the block. You will see the option of a duplicate. Duplicate your block like this. Okay. And as I said, left arrow basically means decrease. To show the decrease, we will minus. Okay. And to show the increase, we will write 10. But this should be right arrow. So very simple. Whenever you are going towards the right side, your x value increase. Whenever you are going towards the left hand side, your value decrease. Okay. So all of you do this much.
Thanks, sir.
Sir, I have a problem, sir.
Yes.
So in my motions tab, I'm not having these options like change x by this value, change x by this value. I'm not having those.
You're having. First, just see, have you selected this sprite too? This sprite is over here.
Sir, I haven't seen that. Wait a minute.
Check first.
Yes, sir. Now they are coming.
Okay, fine. Do it. So very simple. Left decrease. That's why we are written -10. Right increase. That's why we are written 10. Okay. Okay, now we will do one more thing. I'm now just see it will work or not. So I'm pressing this key and it's not working. Now let me tell you the reason why it is not working. So just see what you have done. You have done when the green flag click, if left arrow key press, or if this happens. But this is not happen whenever we are pressing the left arrow key. Okay. means that in that second, whenever we are pressing the green flag, we are not pressing left arrow key. What I want is whenever I click on the green flag, it will check both the things, whether we are pressing it or not. So for that, I will go to the control and I will take a forever block and I will put it over here. Okay, so just see how you will put. Take out the forever block first. Forever means, who know the meaning of forever?
It will repeat for a long
It will
time.
repeat.
Next step.
Correct.
Always.
So
It will
that
always repeat.
happen continuously.
Happen continuously. Very good. Yes,
Always repeat.
always repeat. Correct. So I will put this if block inside the forever and I will do like this. And now let me check whether it is working or not. So yeah, it's working, but it's not looking nice, right? Because this space is not going here and there. Okay. So what I want is, I want whenever the green flag click, I want this person to look towards the right hand side, and whenever I press the left key, look towards the left side also. Okay. So now let's see how to do that.
Sir, will it be move blank degrees, turn blank degrees?
Turn, I think,
Very good.
turn.
We will turn it. Correct. So for that, as you already know that we need to do the turn, but turn, we will not turn like this. We will point in direction, right? So what I will do, I will add this 2 block point in direction. So for the left, now how I will know? So just see, where is the arrow right now? Left or right? Can you see this arrow?
Sir, right.
Right. Correct. Because this is a left arrow, I will move this arrow towards the left hand side. Okay. And I will do one more thing. I will duplicate this block and I'll put it over here and I will write over here. I don't know the angle, but I will move it towards the right hand side. So for the right arrow, you will write 90. For the left arrow, you will write -90. Okay, -90 means left side and the right hand side. And now let me check again. I click on a green flag. Oops. See, it's working, but it's not good at all.
समझ आ रहा है? टेंशन नहीं ना?
Is this much clear to everyone that we have done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, now the next step is, now it's not working. Okay, now I will tell you why it's not working for me. Okay, just see how this is working right now. I'm moving towards the right side. Wait a minute. I'm moving towards the right hand side is perfectly fine. I'm moving towards the left hand side. It's first inverted also, and it's going to the different place also, which I don't want. So now let's figure it out why this thing happening. There's a 2-way. Okay, so first I will do the first thing. I will go to the costume. I will click on this arrow sign. Okay, and then I will move my sprite. Can you see this center spot over here? How many of you can see? How many of you having good
Sir,
eyes?
I can see.
Okay,
Sir, I can see.
Sir, I can see.
you all are having good eyes. Okay, so you will do one thing. Okay, how I will move this right now? I'm moving and it's this much is coming and the other part is not coming. So I will do one thing. If the same thing is happening with you now, first select all and then move it. Okay. So now with this way, I solve my first problem. Okay. So those who are having the same kind of problem that they have not added the sprite, added the sprite in the center. So please change it. This is the first reason it's not working. You can play the game later. बाद में खेल लेना. आपका गेम है, आपको देर है. प्रखर आपसे ही कह रहा हूँ मैं बाद में. You can play later. बाद में खेल लेना. Done this much? Very good. Now the next step is the next way of doing the thing is, wait a minute. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen, right?
You are sharing, sir.
I'm sharing. Oh,
So you are.
oh, fine, fine. Yeah. Can you see my scratch, right? Second thing. So for the second thing now, you will do one thing, you will go down. You will take this block that is set rotation style and you will add left and right. With this left and right, can you see now your thing is better? Okay.
Sir, I still have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, when I do left, it's going downside, but when I'm doing right, it's doing fine.
Do one thing first, add this block, set rotation style left and right. Okay. Then it will definitely work.
Sir, 1 second. Sir, can I share my screen? I can't
So Myra, you have
understand.
added this block, set rotation style left and right.
No, sir.
So first add it now. I'm telling you now. That is why it is not working. Ritika, done?
So it's working.
Very good, Ritik. Can you hear me, Ritika? Okay, Sarthak, Kriti, Shambhu, Ramesh, it's working. Anik,
Yes, sir, it's working.
okay. Okay, so now can we,
Sir, still I'm having a problem.
what problem you are having?
When I do the right side, it's doing fine, but when I do the left side, it goes front and then it comes back.
Okay, so share your screen.
Yes, sir. Like when I am doing this.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay,
So I do this. Now
fine.
when I do this, it comes here.
Go to the
And when
costume.
I
It's not
okay.
in the center. Go to the costume. Select all. Select all. Select all.
I have
Control A.
wait.
Control A. Like this also. Yeah, this will now drag it in the center. Yes. Now try. Left. Now move left. Okay.
Yes. Can I do same with the egg because
Now
it's
it's
too high.
working. Come to my screen. Let's see the last thing. Okay. So all of you, now what I want is whenever I click on the egg, okay, whenever I click on the egg, this thing will stop. Or in the game, what we have done is we have changed the level. So we will do one thing, we will change the level or we will stop the game also. So first we will go to the variables, and who know what is variable? Yes. Anyone of you know what is variable?
Variable is an unknown value.
Unknown value. Okay. The value can be changed, or in a simple word.
Value can be changed and stored in a safer area like in a computer.
Okay. So we can say in simple word is a kind of a container. Okay. So let's say we have a geometry box. Geometry box stores the pen, right? If we have a piggy bank, to piggy bank stores some money. So basically it will store the money. You can take it out also. That depends on you, right? So variable is a kind of a container. So all of you need to click on the variables. You need to click on the variable, make a variable, and then you need to write level. Okay. This level you need to write, and what you will do. So all of you do this much.
Sir, done.
Done. Okay, now what you will do, same thing. Whenever it touch the egg, so if you will take a if block, if you will go to the sensing, if this sprite 2, if touches this sprite 3, sprite 3 is our egg which I have created. So what we will do, we will increase the level, we will set the level to 1. Simple, right? You set the level to 1. So now just see, and we will do one thing. We will add the stop all, which you will find in the control like this. So now with this, if whenever I touch this block, level is 1 and our game stop. The same concept I have used in that Minecraft game, which you can see in your screen. Okay. So all of you do this much. This is the end part for this session basically.
Sir, did we code anything for the egg?
That's depend on you. You can just see the same thing in that I shared you the link, right? Okay. For the egg, what you can do? Okay. For the egg, we can do one thing. Let's say we are having different levels. So at the different level, our egg will move to the different place. So for that, we can do, if the level is 1, set at this place, egg. If the level is this, set at this place. Okay. Now, any doubt in this much or any one of you?
Yes, sir.
No doubt. Okay. So all of you, as I said you before also now, in this program, basically, we will give you the access of Coding Connect. In the next week, you need to come up with the idea. Okay. You need to come up with a project. Okay. And if your project is selected now, you will get a gift also. Okay. So you will get an exciting gift also. So we will meet again in the next week. Okay. Till that time, you need to complete your project, your idea, your project. We will give you the access of some content also. Just watch the video.
Sir,
Just
in
watch the document.
Scratch, sir.
Did you do anything in Sprite 3?
No, I have not done anything.
Okay, sir.
I just done everything in my Sprite 2.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I am Prakhar.
Yes, Prathar, I know your name now. Tell me.
हम इसे एक गेम कैसे बनाएंगे?
किसको?
यस सर.
प्रखर, इसमें आपको ना सेम थिंग, आपको ना कोडिंग और करनी पड़ेगी. ओके. कोडिंग फॉर द एग. ओके. कोडिंग फॉर द लेवल. ओके. which I can't tell you right now. मतलब सारी like in this short period of a time ना, तो अभी के लिए इतना बहुत है. But right now just explore this much कि हमने आज क्या क्या करा चीजें. Okay. In the next session, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, should we make our own game or upgrade the one you made?
No, you can create your own game. Create your own game, story, animation, anything, whatever you like.
Okay.
Holy animation, word light, word environment day, anything. Happiness days today, you can do that. Depends on you. Okay. Okay. So any doubt, anyone of you want to ask anything?
Sir, why isn't my when flag click working?
Why?
When I'm clicking, when flag click, why isn't my sprite moving?
Your sprite will move whenever you use the left or right arrow.
Yes,
Then
sir,
only.
I'm using, but this flag button is not only working.
Sure.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you see my screen?
I can see left arrow forever if, yeah. Now press the left and right arrow.
It's not working, sir.
It's okay. Do one thing, reload your screen.
Sir, first can I save it or else
Click
it
on a
will
save
go?
now. Yes, click on a save now and then reload your screen. It will work.
No, sir, it's not working.
Wait a minute. If touching sprite 3, okay, right now it is touching sprite 3. That's why it is not working. Move your sprite back. Listen, move your sprite back. It will work. See, it's working. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Sir, I wanted to say we can when we do this, like when I played a game.
Hmm.
So actually now it's not stop all. So
It is, you have not added the stop all, no? That's why it is.
yes, I will add it, but I wanted to see when I stop it and then I play again, it will still showing one. So we can also add this. Where did
Very
it
good.
go?
Set a level
Array,
to 0.
yes, set level to
Very
0.
good. Very good point. Good work. Yeah, got it. Very good. Okay. Okay. Anything else you want to ask? Any one of you? No?
No, sir.
I hope you like the session, right? How many of you like the session?
Excuse me,
I
sir.
like
Sir, I am Prakhar.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Gina.
Sir Myra.
Yes, sir. Can I upgrade the game? Sir, I am Prakhar.
Yes, Gina. Why not? You can upgrade your game. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Definitely. Okay. Very good. Okay. I can see 3 or 4 you like 6 of
Sir, for the next class also, can I upgrade it?
Why not?
For
Yes.
the next.
Correct. But I will, okay, see, it will be much better if you come up with your idea. Then only you will get an exciting gift or, okay. So all of you, let's do
Sir,
one
I
thing.
can do both of them.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So let's end over here, all of you. So, okay. And I will see you in the next meeting in the next week. Okay. Until that time, you can complete your all the document and video, watch all the document and video. Okay. So bye bye, all of you.
Sir,
Have a
how
good
to watch, sir? Where to watch it?
see, a team will contact you, okay, and provide you all the credentials, okay. And once you will get all the credential, you just need to put your username and ID, okay, and then you can watch.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So bye bye.
Bye,
All of you.
sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Welcome. Same to you. Bye bye.
सर सारी क्लास हर एक वीक सर
Bye
सारी
bye.
क्लास
Bye,
वीक में
Melvin.
होगी
क्या होगी सारी क्लास?
सारी क्लास एक वीक में होगी
सारी आपको 8 की एक क्लास, सारी 8 क्लासेस ना आपको वीक में खत्म कर देनी है, ठीक है? Content
Sir,
over
sir,
to
sir.
video से
So
document
when
हो
is
गया?
our next class?
I guess next week.
Okay, sir.
In that time, you need to explore all the videos and documents, okay, which we will provide.